Hello everyone, and welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I will walk you through the process of disassembling the MacBook Air and cleaning the fan to remove accumulated dust. I'll show you what tools are required to repair the MacBook. Screwdriver set, plastic pry tools, tweezers. I have included links to all the tools you need in the video description below. I also advise utilizing a magnetic match throughout the repair process, especially when working with the MacBook Air. While disassembling, diligently manage each screw's placement to ensure accurate reassembly. Rest assured, you need not be concerned about misplacing any screws. They will all securely adhere to the magnetic mat. Let's begin disassembly. Flip it over and start by removing the screws securing the bottom case. Remember, each screw has its place, so keep them organized for later. Gently pry the bottom cover using a plastic tool. Carefully disconnect the battery cable using a plastic spudger or your fingers. Ensuring the battery is disconnected is a crucial safety step. Use only an anti-static brush to remove dust inside your MacBook, especially when cleaning the motherboard. You can use compressed air to blow the accumulated dust off the fan, but this method may not be effective. I recommend removing the fan and cleaning it thoroughly with a brush. In this way, you will also get access to cleaning the heatsink grill. It gives you the best experience of cleaning your laptop and fixing CPU overheating. Be sure to remove dust from the inside of the bottom cover. Power up your MacBook and check if everything is working smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Well done, the repair is now complete. You were on How Fix It, and see you again next time.